everyone, today I'm going to try to juggle leaves. I've never tried to do this before and I've never seen it done before, but I was walking around and I saw a leaf and I was curious, so let's go find out. So my plan is to juggle them like scarves. If you don't know how to juggle scarves, you can go check out this other video I made with my cousin where I was teaching her how to juggle scarves. Anyways, I'm going to try to do this just with one leaf at first, and then I'm going to try to go on to 2 and then 3. So, oh god. Okay, this might be hard. Let's try again. Okay, this might be impossible. Also, it's a windy day today, so that's great. New strategy. Kind of like a flat or like a pancake. Nope. Okay, that's not any easier. Maybe like a ring. My goal originally, I was going to try to qualify, but if I can flash 3, which is just 3 catches and 3 throws, I will feel satisfied. I know it won't work, but I'm just going to see what happens when I do 2. Pause. I'm going to go try to get some different leaves that might be a little bit easier, that have a wider surface area. Okay, I got some new ones, and now I'm going to try again. Okay. Better. I'm not ready, but let's try 3. Okay. Okay, that's 2. Okay, this is just really hard. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the scarf thing, because I feel like that was a good idea. Okay. That could be the answer. Little penguin catch. It actually looks kind of cool, I think. Okay, we'll see in editing if it does look cool. Now, other side. Alright, let's try 3. Okay, it's feeling good. So close. Ah, that was close. No! This was a bad decision, but I'm here. Really gonna try to get 3 catches. Yes! We can agree that leaves should definitely not be juggled. It was very difficult just to flash them. I thought this was going to be my short video, but it took me a little bit longer to film than I intended. But we'll be back next week with a video of juggling items that were actually meant to be juggled with. So I'll be showing you how to do Kato's Crux. So definitely subscribe, like, comment so you can keep up with all the videos I post. Keep juggling and have fun.